Hi guys, so I'm back making some more colouring pages using coloringbook.ai. Now I've already typed in the prompt which I got off ChatGPT, and I just want to show you. It's quite a detailed one, and I've done quite a few of them. Right, so I'm just going to go down to the bottom and show you some of them what I've done. Yeah, these are the ones what I did last time, which I showed you. Now this was for adults. Yeah, now look at all the detail what's gone into that. This will probably take you ages to colour in there, but there is lots of detail. So then what I did, it gives you two different variations. Yeah, you can ask for more, but I just asked for two. Then I asked for the teenagers version of it, which you can see still a lot of detail, but you can clearly see it's easier to colour. Yeah. And then there's another one next to it, so you can have a look at that if need be. Then I did the kids one, which it made it more fun looking. It's still a lot of detail for kids, but it's more fun kind of thing. Yeah. And then again, they give you two different versions. Like, then I asked for the toddler one. Now, I'm not so sure this is for toddlers, but it is still easier than like the adult one, of course. So yeah, I made these, but then I thought I'd try doing horizontal. Yeah. Now it came with colour on, which doesn't always do that, but the odd time it does. Look, it does just regenerate, like do it again. Yeah. Well, this was I think this one might have been for kids. This one, it might tell you. Oh yeah, this one for children. Yeah. Give you another version of it. Then I asked it again for the teenagers, which it gives you loads of detail, which I'm loving that. Look at all the detail here. Very good. It gives you two of them. And that was it. But the prompt I used was an underwater city with coral-like skyscrapers, seashell houses, and schools of fish swimming through the streets, jellyfish streetlights glow softly, and a giant squid acts as a transport vehicle in the background. Now, as you can see, it gives you all the things you need. It's, you know what I mean? So you've got your coral ice skyscrapers, you've got the squid, what's going to be the transport. It's great, guys, isn't it? But yeah, this is Colouring Book AI. Now, I've already got the prompt, but you can do text to colouring pages, you can do image to colouring pages, you can do batch mode and all that, and online colouring, or you can download it. But if you click on it, you can online colour it there and then, or you can remix it, or you can just download it as a PDF or a PNG and print it off at home and use it there, guys. But this is an awesome tool. I'll just quickly show you some older ones. So I've done like some easy ones for toddlers and kids and teenagers, etc., using different prompts. But if you want to check it out, guys, I will leave the link in the description below, as well as the first comment, pinned comment, guys. So please check it out because it's a great tool to use. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.